To change your sleeping hours in the sleep mode schedule in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode screen, tap sleep, tap turn on automatically. Next, tap the current schedule you like to change its time. Now, slide the pad icon clockwise or counterclockwise to change the time when the sleep mode begins. As the example, we will set it to 10 p.m. And then slide the alarm icon clockwise or counterclockwise to change the time when the sleep mode ends. As the example, we will set it to 6 a.m. the next day. Next, tap Save button to save your new schedule. And then tap Done button to save the change. By doing this, now your phone will automatically enable the sleep mode from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. the next day at the selected days. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.